Welcome to Aerial Yoga at Stars in Motion. Let's practice Warrior Series with extended side angle and low lunge to splits. We'll lift one leg in to hook the knee on the fabric, both hands reaching high, and as we exhale, we'll soften the standing leg to send the hips forward, keeping the back heel on the mat for Warrior 1 and extending into a back of the leg stretch. We'll pull down with both hands to bring ourselves back, pivoting that standing foot so that now we're open to the side for Warrior 2, sending the hips forward again. Reaching the back hand high and the forward hand low, we'll lean through the fabrics to find our extended side angle pose, lifting that leg once again, making it a little splitty. And we're ready to unfold, once again pull down and return back into our beginning position. We're going to bounce our leg in the fabric and bring the arch of the foot into the seat. Once again, reaching high, pulling that lifted knee through the fabrics, pushing with the standing ball of foot so that we feel a stretch in this low lunge. We'll use our hands to come back, extending the lifted leg now, and then softening the standing knee as we shift the hips forward for our split stretch. Also using our hands here to control how far we go and to feel that stretch through the side body and the back. And now we're ready for the other side.